Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolute must if you have a cat or a dog and you are constantly struggling with pet hair. We have a cat, we've had a husky in the past, and they all shed, and sometimes that hair just ends up everywhere. So this is a cool little device by a company called dancemoon, and it simply is designed to capture that pet hair, whether it is on your couch, whether you have it on a blanket, or you can even use it on your clothes. So it's a very versatile little piece of equipment here. And so this is what it looks like when you open it up. It's going to come in this little box. It's going to come with a little instruction manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Now, the first thing, how you're going to operate it is you're going to notice it's going to have this little kind of fabric here, if you will, and that's called a vector cloth. And it's has a little rubber divide that separates it. And all you're going to do is you're going to move this back and forth on the material you're wanting to capture. That particular material is going to kind of like static clean that hair. It's going to get it stuck on it, and then as you move it back and forth, it cleans it off on the edges, and then it goes into a little collection reservoir that you can simply just slide and then clean out the hair when you are all done. So it captures it all. Just kind of slide it back and forth, and it will release that hair within the collection compartment, which is really cool, thought out design. Now, one of the awesome things about this, it's perfect for travel too, because the handle just unscrews, and they designed it so it can fit in the sliding contraption. And then hidden in the bottom of the handle is also this little like rubber tongue part, which you can use to scrape out the hair in the little hidden compartment to make it easy for cleanup. So everything is thought of, and everything is nice and compact, which makes it perfect, like I said, for travel or storing when you are not utilizing it. Now, as far as what you can utilize this thing on, you can utilize it, like I said, on your couch, your blankets, your clothing. It's good on all types of fabrics. It's not going to damage them. It's very gentle. You just have to move it back and forth. Now, obviously, if it's something loose like a shirt, you're going to probably have to hold it taut, so that way when you are moving it, it doesn't kind of wrinkle up. But very, very easy to utilize. It doesn't require any batteries or any electrical components, which is a nice aspect of it. And it's super easy to empty. Now, if this ever does get dirty, you can simply just rinse it off with regular water. Just make sure that it's thoroughly dry before using it again and collecting more hair. So that is basically it. Like I said, if you are looking for a way to tackle any of that unwanted pet hair, I think this is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.